Hi, I'm Charles Lewton-Brain, and we're here at the Metalworks Studios in Waltham, Massachusetts. And we're going to talk a little bit about how to identify whether a piece of steel that you have is a W1 water hardening tool steel, that is the most basic kind of steel that can be used by a jeweler to make tools with. So first of all, this is not a tool steel. You can see there's no bursting. They're rounded. Here's another piece of tool steel. The mild steel or medium steel compared with the tool steel. Another piece of tool steel, a chasing tool. You can see clouds of burst.